Barcoding and order tracking have become commonplace in window and door manufacturing. Many fabricators already benefit from the ability to track items through their factory. If you're not tracking your orders, then ask yourself, why not? At Business Micros, we experience huge demand from fabricators looking to improve their customer service and productivity by tracking their manufacturing right the way through to delivery to the customer. Imagine, no more lost products, no more missing products. Implementing barcode scanning is easy, and at a lower cost than you may think. For more information, call us on 01925 296 105 or email us at sales@businessmicros.co.uk.